Good morning, team. So I'm arriving here. I'm starting Najero's house. The water softener was closed, like it should be, so it doesn't get too dusty or too dirty. A lot of debris, so everything's okay. So first thing that I do is I open the salt compartment, and there's hardly any salt. It should be at least, I want to say, a third of the container with salt. So I brought an extra bag of salt. So let's do that first, and then we go with the. So the one that currently has, it looks like blocks. I don't know, kind of weird. The one that we're gonna provide, this is how it looks like. This is how it should look like against the one it has. So this is the salt that we are providing, and now you'll see how it looks now. It looks a lot better. It's definitely close to a third. So with one bag it's okay, two bags also okay. Right now I just brought one, so we just stay with one. So the way to set these water softeners, you press next and up at the same time, and it's gonna ask you for the hardness of the water. Right now we have it at 16. We're gonna go a little bit higher just to play with these numbers. Let's do something like a 24. I don't know what the hardness is here. That's what I was asking for, the hardness test. So we go next. It's gonna regen every 15 days. Next, it's gonna do it at 2 a.m. Next, 2 a.m. even. C11, it means that the programming was taken. Now the clock, I have it at 10:30 right now. It's actually 10:38, so it's 10. Next, we'll go up, and next, and that's it for the programming.